Looking for a home that's close to everything Palisade has to offer? Come take a look at 834 Rupp Avenue. Modern interior, great layout, and very close to wineries, restaurants, local shops, and all the amazing things that make Palisade such a fun place to live in. Ready to see it in person? Let's schedule your showing. My name's Alyssa Needham, and I'll see you on the next home tour.